Hello students, in today's video we shall discuss about impact test of aggregates. The impact test of aggregate is included in the Civil Engineering Lab 1 for the third semester Diploma Civil Engineering students. The aim of the experiment is to determine the aggregate impact value of given aggregates. The apparatus required for the test are impact testing machine, cylinder, tamping rod, IS sieves, and weighing balance. Theory. The aggregate impact value gives a relative measure of the resistance of an aggregate to sudden shock or impact, which in some aggregates differ from its resistance, a slow compressive load. Here you can see the aggregate impact testing machine. Here you can see a mold. Procedure. The test sample consisting of aggregates passing through 12.5 mm sieve and retained on 10 mm sieve was taken and it was dried in an oven for 4 hours at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The aggregates were filled up to about 1/3 full in the cylindrical measure and tamped 25 times with rounded end of the tamping rod. The rest of the cylindrical measure is filled by 2 layers and each layer being tamped 25 times. The overflow of aggregates in cylindrical measure was cut off by tamping rod using its straight edge. Then the entire aggregate sample in the measuring cylinder was weighed and the aggregates from the cylindrical measure were carefully transferred into the cup, which is fixed in the position on the base plate of the machine. Then it is tamped 25 times. The hammer was raised until its lower face is 38 cm above the upper surface of aggregate in the cup and it was allowed to fall freely on the aggregates. The test sample was subjected to a total of 15 such blows each, being delivered at an interval of not less than 1 second. The crushed aggregate is then removed from the cup and the whole of a aggregate was sieved on 2.36 mm sieve until no significant amount passes. The fraction passing the sieve was weighed accurately and the above steps were conducted for the fresh sample. The original weight of the oven dry sample was taken as W1 grams and the weight of fraction passing through 2.36 mm IS sieve was taken as W2 grams. Then the aggregate impact value was expressed as percentage of fines formed in terms of the total weight of the sample. In order to understand the procedure in a better way, let's watch a video. This is the cylindrical mold having diameter 75 mm and its depth is 50 mm. Here the cylindrical measure is having a diameter of 100 mm and its depth is 50 mm. Then the aggregates were taken and then the aggregates were oven dried for 4 hours at 100 degrees Celsius. After oven drying, the aggregates were poured onto the 12.5 mm IS sieve and the sieving is conducted in a circular manner. Then the aggregates passing through 12.5 mm IS sieve is poured onto the 10 mm IS sieve. Then again sodium is going 31 mm. Then the aggregates, those are retained on 10 mm ISC, is taken for the test. Then the aggregates were taken in the mold, filled up to 1/3 portion of the mold, and it is damped with the help of a damping rod. Then second layer is filled and it is again damped 25 times. Then again the mold is filled with aggregates, and this third layer is also damped for 25 times. The excess of the aggregates were removed with the help of the straight edge of the damping rod. Then the entire setup was weighed, and this weight is noted down as W1. Then the aggregates was taken in the cylindrical mold and it is damped for 25 times. Then the setup is taken to the aggregate impact test apparatus, and it was given 15 number of blows. The height of the free fall is 38 cm. Then the aggregates were sieved through 2.36 mm ISC. This is the passing, and this passing was weighed, and it is noted down as W2 grams, which is coming out to be 14 grams. Now we shall fill the observation table. For sample 1, the total weight of aggregate filling the cylindrical metal measure was 334.9 grams, and the weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm sieve was 14 grams. So the aggregate impact will be 14 divided by 334.9 multiplied with 100, which is equals to 4.18%. We again conducted the test on fresh sample, and the value of W1 was found to be 335.1, and the weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm sieve was found to be 18.6 gram, and the impact value was found to be 18.6 divided by 335.1 is equals to 0.055, and if we multiply this with 100, we are going to get the aggregate impact value as 5.55%. If the aggregate impact value is less than 10%, then the aggregates are exceptionally strong, and if the aggregate impact value lies between 10 to 20%, then the aggregates are classified as strong, and if the aggregate impact value ranges between 10 to 30%, then the aggregates are classified as satisfactory, and if the impact value is more than 35%, then the aggregates are classified as weak. So here the aggregate impact value is taken as the average of the two results. So for the first sample, the aggregate impact value was found to be 4.18%, and for the second sample, the aggregate impact value was found to be 5.55%. So we shall take its average divided by 2, which is equals to 4.865%. So since our value is less than 10%, so these aggregates are exceptionally strong. So conclusion, the aggregates were classified as exceptionally strong aggregate. Thank you, students.